Motorized honeycomb skylight shade installation. Open the package first and take out all the accessories. Arrange the main body according to 1 2 3 4 pairing roughly. Please note that the two side rails must not be installed backwards, otherwise the blinds will not function properly. Tear off the upper rail tape. Take out the motor. Move the rail to align the sliders. Align the upper rail with the transmission box assembly. Loosen the shaft connector screws and remove the short section. Once both sides are in place, press the fabric tightly. Reinstall the motor. Reel in the rope completely on the winder. Be careful not to misalign the rope. At the end, roll the rope half a turn more vigorously. Warm tip, customized with a width of less than 31.5 inches. Blackout fabric do not require a cord winder. Insert the short spool into the gearbox. Connect and lock it with the connector. After installing the lower rail, test if it works properly. Confirming that there is no problem, dismantle it again. If you purchase solar panels need to be installed on the back of the upper rail first. Avoid the motor, rope winder, and transmission box when drilling holes. Use self-tapping screws when drilling holes on upper rail. Charging cable towards the motor, the upper face toward to the sunlight. Fixed with screws. Connect the motor and organize the wires. Mark the installation position on the window. 0.6 inches from the window frame. Install the lower rail first. Align the marked position and punch the holes to fix it. Arrange the main body according to 1 2 3 4 pairing roughly. Then install the side rails. Install the side rails diagonally and fix them. Pull down the sliders a little. Install the top rail diagonally. Push it up and fasten it. Slant the transfer rail into the slider at the same angle. When both sides are in place, pull the rope down straight. Then turn the pivot to tighten the rope. Be careful not to misalign the ropes. Then put in the motor. If it doesn't fit, slightly adjust the transfer track. Then tighten the rope half a turn. Put the shaft into the motor. Put the short shaft into the left gearbox. Splice the shaft with the connector and lock it in place. Then test if it works. Install the T-shape blackout panel. There is a 1.6 inches error adjustment when the window is irregular, horizontal, or tilting. When there is no position fixing at the top, can be fixed by screws within 0.2 inches of the main transmission on the side. Installation completed.